Yo, yo, what's good, everybody? Y'all, I'm in this trade right now. I'm in QQQ, well, NQ futures. I am, I'm long. I'm going off of NQ though. I'm going off of QQQ. I'm long here. It's kind of volatile. I'm going in. I'm very light because I did take a L earlier this morning. Um, I am light. It's just a break and retest above this of the Friday's highs into the. I'm planning on holding until Thursday's highs. Let's see if it holds here though. I'm in a low light. I got a stop loss back below 531.70. Yeah, we'll see where these two contracts will go. So it looks good though. It looks pretty good. Let's see what happens. We'll trim one here at the top. We'll trim one at the top. And we'll hold for this target up here. We'll hold for that target. Right now, I got long off of these bottom of these two candles. I'm long. About two contracts. Hoping to see it move higher. And then the next target is up here. See how this kind of closes.
Joining us, my brother King Browns, good morning, happy. My brother King Browns, good morning, happy.
Literally at my stop right now. I'm gonna be quick with it. I'm not. Oh my god, I gotta stop out. Oh, it's so annoying right now, bro. I've been stopped out on all three trades. The first one was actually bullshit. I shouldn't even have got in. The second one was this one. I was trying to short Friday's highs. But it showed weakness. Look, this weak candle, another weak candle, and I was target. It wasn't much either. I mean, I was aiming for this VWAP. Just got stopped out, dude. I think this might have been news at 10:30, but I'm not sure. Now we're back weak. I'm just gonna be patient, bro. Just gonna wait for this for when we get up here. I wanted that to happen, but it looks like I don't know. So annoying. Look at that. Now the move happens from the previous trade I took. Probably could have took that on spawn, but I'm too slippery. I'm running. Catch up with me. I'm in the roll. I'm too slippery. Tap in, tap in, tap in. We're gonna get us a good trade. We gonna. I hope we do. I hope we get us a good trade. I think we will though. I think we will. Let's see what happens though. I don't know why that keeps happening. Catch up with me. I'm running. Get back to these charts, man. freaking dog shit, bro. Look at this shit, bro. I was literally short here. I was looking for a move into this that structure of pre-market and this VWAP. And it looks like we're about to get it now. After a freaking reclaim of the freaking resistance. And I just went long at once we got above it, dude. And it just doesn't work. It's not working. It didn't work just then. But it's all good, man. It's all good. We're gonna catch something. We gonna catch something. We probably can even go long. We might even go long here. It's gonna be a little risky though. But we'll see. We will see. Put the chat on this side so y'all can see the chat. To make it skinnier. Boom. Boom. There we go. There go the chat. Let's do it. Let's do it. Bro. I swear. Alright, if we come up again higher, I think I'm gonna take some shorts. We just freak. We just fell below, right? Alright, so what I'm looking for, we got a weak candle. If this goes weak again and we pop back up into this same supply from Friday's high, we can short it and then move back into it again. Just like the previous trade. Let's see what happens. I'm not gonna go heavy because we have to keep a stop above this candle. Keep a stop above this candle. Well, really, you don't even want that type. You really don't even need that type of that big of a stop. But I think it's just gonna go without us. Let's see though. Let's see. Oh. Yeah. Chat's on this side. Let's see what I can do. See if I can just keep it open. Let's see. I want to have the chat on this side. Boom. There we go. There we go. We need a little bit higher, dude. That's not enough. We need literally the top of this. We need the top right here. Top of that little resistance. I'm not short of there. I risk not. It's too much of a risk. I'm gonna switch to this 2 minute. Let's see what gold is doing. Gold ain't doing nothing. I'll switch to QQQ. 2 minute. There we go. Alright, 2 minutes gonna be pretty good. I'm too slippery. Alright, so we got this structure. Look at that. Look at that structure. Well, it's a small, very small structure because it is intraday. The reject here, reclaim, bounce off of it a little bit. Now we flush below it. Now we're looking for a retest to come back down to VWAP. Let's see. It looks good. It looks pretty good. As long as we don't freaking blow through it, then we'll be all right. We'll keep a stop above 532. 532 or around down. 532. 532. Let's hope it don't hit 532. We need that VWAP, dude. Let me get the entry first, though. We need to get the entry before we get down there. I don't want to take that bounce either, dude. That's a strong reject, dude. Freak. Oh, freak is gone. It's gone. Now it's not even valid no more. If we were to go back up, it's not even valid. You might as well just take everything out. And this stuff ain't gonna work. I don't think it will. Well, then again, it might be. It could be. It could. It ain't though. It ain't good no more. Now it's just a scenario that should have happened then. Not now. It's already broke below that low, so it's if we reclaim now, we can squeeze higher. So now that we broke below this this base, we don't broke below it. We can't take a short no more after that. We should see that VWAP though. Too slippery. I'm all running. Catch up with me. I'm beating the road up. What are you talking to? YouTube studio. Gotta tap in, y'all. I gotta get in this thing. We're gonna VWAP though. We're gonna touch that VWAP. It might bounce off of it. Maybe. Doesn't really look too heavy. Could just bounce and just go from there too. Might could try it, but I don't know. I just don't know. It's 11 o'clock, dude. I missed the whole, like, the first part of it, but it's cool though, because I didn't really miss much. Just some bull. Some straight bull. Ain't nothing going on. Check out Spa. Spa chilling. Bro, we gotta break out of this thing, bro. Dang. Look, let me see. All we're doing. Look at this. We're in this, let's see what we're in right now. We're in a supply. Yeah. Yeah, we can say we're in a supply right now. Yeah, that's a good supply actually. Look at this supply. I don't know who put these levels here. Where does this come from? Here. We got this little supply here. We got this supply, so. And look, we just failed. Dang, that would have been a good setup right here. Once this kind of close like that, we can get in instantly. We can't go heavy, but we can get in instantly once this closes. When it closes like a big wick up in this pre-market high, it rejected that hard and then it closed like that. We could have got in, boom, and then we can trim. We could have trimmed some at this we could have trimmed some here right below that and then take those and then take the rest trims up here. But I didn't take that, so I'm just saying that would have been a good scenario. Like that's a scenario we could have did it. But if this comes back up though, that could be pretty good. That could be pretty good. Well, oh yeah, that's what I was gonna show y'all though. Look at this. Let me take this. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Alright, so we got this rising wedge. Look at this rising wedge right here. And we're at supply. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys what this means. This is a chart pattern that you see and that would usually work when you're at resistance or at key areas and important areas on the chart. So since we're at resistance, we're rising up. We can see lower from here. We can break this range and come down to this 576 again. It's that structure from end of March. In confluence with that, look, we're putting a higher high. And look at this. Watch this. Let's see if we can see it right here. And we're going kind of lower, on the RSI. We're putting higher, and higher. And look at this. Look at this last high. This last high is going down. That's confluence that the market could be going lower right now. And that's a setup that you can take on a swing. But I don't swing trade. I'm just saying, like, we could take it. We could. Let me show you the chart pattern on Google so y'all guys can see. Catch up with me. I'm roll running. Can I put it over here? Nope. Okay. Alright, can you guys see that? There you go. Let me see. Alright, let me find another one. The one that shows it. So it usually happens right here. Look at that. So we got the horizon wedge, right? It wedges upward. I mean, well, it wedges. It starts big and then it starts tightening up the higher it goes. And what usually happens is we see lower, as y'all can see on that. We squeeze. We went higher, and then we just break down. Like, and that breakdown, that shit comes down hot. Like, that shit comes down fast as fuck. Like within 2 to 3 days. Look how long this took to make it. Let's say it started here on Friday the 16th of May, all the way up to now. The 16th of May, that was 16. Let's put 15. And then another 9, 25, 20, like 25 days, right? 25, 26 days. It took a whole month to make this wedge. And when this breaks down, when this wedge breaks down, we're just gonna freaking rip. We're just gonna go boom, boom. We're probably gonna hit some more little boom. This will be day 1. That's day 2, day 3. I'm telling you right now, that's what's gonna happen, bro. If it breaks down, it's gonna be boom, 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 real fast. I'll say 2 to 4 days. I'll say 2 to 4 days. That's what I think is gonna happen. If this breaks below this trend line right here, with volume down here, when this shit spikes up. Let me see if I can show y'all some volume, some good volume, some volume like this up here in this 23 million or anything above these right here, which is 4 or 5 million, 10 million, above 10 million volume, bro. It's gonna be massive. It's gonna be massive. I'm gonna be shorting when I hope this happens, because that'll get some clean market movement, and hopefully it happens this week. I think it's gonna happen this week. If this doesn't break down, I'm gonna be pissed, bro. Because if not, we're gonna keep chopping around, going higher, a little bit higher, and then we eventually probably break. We'll probably get up to all-time highs, and then consolidate more. Freaking just that's what I don't want to happen. I'd rather for this to happen, for this to break down, come back, and hit this demand. That'll be dope. That'll be real dope. And the setups that I would watch. Let me check what's going on. Yeah, ain't nothing going on. And these setups happen right here. Oh look, this is another trade with Q and SPY. They basically move the same, kinda, but it's like if we get up to this high up here, if we get up to this area right here where this red arrow's at, bruh, I'm looking for shorts. I'm really not even looking for longs, but I'm looking for shorts. This whole little area right here. This whole area, I'm gonna be looking for shorts. Anything short, any weak candle, I'm shorting. I'm testing that shit all day long. All day long. And our first target, look at that, our first target will be this structure. This Friday structure. That's the most recent structure when shorting it. Other than this one, right? But the main one is this one. So this is a good structure point. So if we show weakness up here, our first target would be this one, right? Of course, we're probably gonna take trends before we get here, but that's our main target. If this happens today, which I believe it will, it'll just be later in the day. I believe this will happen like at 2. It's already at 11 o'clock. This will happen like at 2, 3, right into market close, where I can't swing because I fucking trade fucking prop firm. So Can't swing this shit. But what we can do, if this continues to flush in after hours, I will be here and I'll probably go live again. So if you're not tuning in, you need to tune in or share with everybody who, you know, wants to make some money. Catching the plays that I give y'all. But this is gonna be good. This is good. Go back to spy. Go to spy. Get back below this thing right here. Gonna be vicious. It's gonna be vicious. Yeah. Get off of that. Mm. Mm. But I think I'm just gonna set my alerts. I'm gonna set my alerts and gonna set my alerts and just wait for them to pop off. Hopefully I catch them. I mean, I'm gonna be paying attention all day to my phone, so when I'm not at my setup, we can catch them. Boom. Yo. Oh, you made it. Yeah, I got you. All right, y'all. I'm finna set these alerts. Well, I got that alert set on Q's. I'm about to set an alert on Spy, just in case it happens up here. I'm gonna set it at the top. Well, yeah, I'll set it up here, and then another one up here. All right, I'm about to end stream, y'all. Y'all, stay tuned for this later in the day at 2 or 3 o'clock. That's when I'll probably hop back on.